couple of years ago, I bought this 265-6, so it's the 6th revision of the 265 tool, serial number 34100. And it uses a super obscure, it's called a 4NS, call it. It's smaller than a 3.8, R8, and I think I have, I got a set of 16, and I got 1/4 inch, and then my other score with this is this 1/2 inch. So with this tool and the grinding wheel, you can grind lathe tool and sharpen bits. And the bits that I need it for are my Gorton P12. So there's an engraver head on it, and those engraver bits, it's an engraver bit, require, constant perfection. Consistent perfection? Constant perfection. Or else they don't cut and make the patterns very, very nice. And just trying to get this in, but this locks and this indexes. So you start 3-4, and that if you're sharpening or if you need something to reference 3 points or something to reference 4 points, you can do that. Where is this index pin? The other thing it has is I'm missing. There's I think it's like a follower, there it goes. It's drill bit follower, so it's a little post that goes in here and it turns the drill bit, so when you sharpen, it follows. But unfortunately, I don't have that. I got this machine out of Detroit. I went and picked it up, and it's been used, and I got one wheel with it. And I don't know much about these wheels, but this is a D150 N100 B1-16 C&H. I don't know who makes that, but this is a diamond wheel, is my understanding. So this is the diamond grit that's on the outside of this, just on this lip here, so I can do sharp on just these two. And this surface here is, I don't think it's anything. Like there's no compound. That's just aluminum, but it's this grit around here that ultimately does the sharpening. So this machine, I don't know if it had a fire or what happened to it, but it always comes down to electrical. People always abandon projects because of the electrical. And I'm good at the electrical, and I'm just lazy at the electrical. So here, there was a Dayton motor put on it. So this is, it's a capacitor start motor. So it's got all the capacitor start. So when it sees power, it does the phase invert. As soon as it gets up to speed, it flips over and it does its thing. 5/8 shaft with a key. Awesome. But I need to align it, right? So this spindle, or this grinding spindle, it's a bit rough, I can feel it, but it hasn't been oiled in a long time. You have to align it. I have to make sure the motor is square to the shaft, just to make sure I maximize my output there, and then just clean it up. Like right now, there's an oil plug here. I don't think it's ever been oiled, and it's just needs love. So I'm gonna see what I can do.